Leaf Man by Lois Ehlert. Leaf Man used to live near me in a pile of leaves. But yesterday the wind blew Leaf Man away. He left no travel plans. The last time I saw him, he was headed east, past the chickens, toward the marsh, over the ducks and geese. A leaf man's gotta go where the wind blows. He blew over the fields of pumpkins and winter squash, and flew over the turkey, past potatoes, carrots, and cabbages in rows. Then he blew out of sight. Is he drifting west above the orchards? Or over the prairie meadows? And past the spotted cows? Well, a leaf man's gotta go where the wind blows. Maybe Leaf Man's gliding on a lake breeze, or flying along the river, following butterflies going south. Well, a leaf man's gotta go where the wind blows. He might even be traveling north, above leaves that look like him, or flying over mountains with a flock of birds. When Leaf Man looks down on earth, is he lonesome for a home? This I do know, where a leaf man will land, only the wind knows. So listen for a rustle in the leaves. Maybe you'll find a leaf man waiting to go home with you. The end.